Yes, hello viewers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to block YouTube adverts. If you are a person who likes to search and listen to podcast or music over YouTube, but you are annoyed of the adverts that are playing all the time when you start a new video in the middle of the video, okay, this is how you can resolve that issue. So if you're using Chrome, then go to Chrome and then click on the new tab here to open up a new tab where you can search, and then go to extensions. So there's this icon on your new tab that will show this says extensions. Click on the extensions and then wait for it to load, and then this search area you can search for uBlock. There are different ad blockers that are available for you to use. So you can search for uBlock, and then what you can do, say, click on the uBlock extension. You see here it is rated 5-star, rated by more than 25,000 people. So what you can do is click add to Chrome. So, and then click add extension. So the uBlock ad blocker extension will be added to Chrome. So now each time you go to YouTube to play any video, you're not going to see any adverts. So I'm going to demonstrate to you now. So if you go to YouTube, then you start YouTube, you play any video that comes up on YouTube. So you're not gonna see any adverts, gonna go straight to the video. Okay, so the sound is muted in this case because, but just to show you, so there's no adverts at the beginning of the video. There's no advert that's gonna play. So it's not just uBlock that you can add. If you don't like uBlock, you can add other extensions. There are different extensions. You can search for ABP, which is another ad blocker which does the same thing. See here, this one is 4.5 star, rated by more than 200,000 people. So you can click on this ad block as well and click add, and then click add extension. So you can use both at the same time if you wish, or you can remove one and use only one ad block extension. So they both do the same thing to prevent adverts. And some of the pop-ups that pops while you clicking some of the links, maybe if you are watching a series online and there are links that pops up, so these ad blocker will stop those pop-ups from popping. So, and then you'll be able to watch series at peace without a lot of other tabs and people who are trying to sell or wanting you to join some trading. So it blocks all those emails and pop-ups, and you'll be able to focus on what you are trying to do. So if you like this video, please subscribe so to see more videos like this, and you can also like and share with the friends who are also wanting or trying to achieve the same thing. Thank you very much.